Welcome to Spain! And one more shot?
Yes.
And on today's video, I'm going to be traveling through this little city in Spain called Alicante with this beautiful teacher of English who was born in the United States and who actually is a native speaker. But before we get started, I wanted to say thank you to these 5 countries where majority of our viewers are coming from. Number 1, Brazil, Japan, India, Vietnam, and South Korea. As you can see, I travel a lot all over the world and I record videos like this so you could learn your English and have fun. I would like to ask every one of you guys to drop a name of your country in the comment below with a couple of more words describing what do you think I could record in your country. All right, let's get started. Let me show you Jessica, who is literally right there. There she is. She's coming. Welcome in, Jessica. It's a pleasure seeing you again.
You as well.
Such an American hug. In Spain, they kiss each other in the cheeks, right?
Right.
Hold on. First of all, I'm going to give you a microphone so we could start recording. Perfect. Hold on. Say it again. They have the best what?
Banana bread.
The best banana bread.
Yes.
What's the name of this place?
Sip and coffee.
Here's a free advertisement. If you ever want to come here to Alicante, come over for sip and coffee. Jessica said it's the best place. They have the best banana bread here, right?
Banana bread, yeah, they have the best. I have tried.
The coffee was also amazing, in my honest opinion. We're going to go to Palms Park of Palms, right?
Right.
I've never been there. Jessica has never been there as well, but we're going to give it a shot.
Yes, we are. I'm looking forward to seeing it myself.
Perfect. Now, can you please pull out your phone, because mine is right here.
Okay.
And see, where do we have to go? Do you have a Google Maps? Because they mostly use Google Maps in Europe. In Europe, generally speaking.
Oh, I'm used to Apple Maps.
I know, same thing. In the US, we usually use Apple Maps.
Yeah.
And while we're waiting for the bus, I want to ask you a couple of questions. What do you think about Spanish tradition, such as whenever people in Spain meet, they kiss each other in the cheek? And in the US, we always like, hey, like, good to see you.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that in Spain? Because it feels very weird for people from the US and for Spanish people or Spanish-speaking countries where pretty much in Brazil, same thing, when they speak Portuguese, they do the same thing. But what's your opinion on it?
I think it's just because they're so comfortable with each other. Like the culture here is like community. It's very strong over here. Whereas in the US, we're more reserved in a way that we like that personal space.
Yeah.
Over here, people don't think as in personal space like how we think it.
Yeah.
So that's just what I see.
Now, tell these people about your life and a trip here. You were born in the United States.
In the United States.
No.
No.
I was not. I was born in Liberia.
Liberia. Oh,
West
wow.
Africa.
When did you move to US? Because you sound like native.
Do I?
You do.
Well, I moved over to the US when I was, I think, 15, 16 if I'm not mistaken.
16.
I have a lot of practice over the years. I went to college there. So it's kind of like over the years, you kind of get comfortable with everything and it just become a part of who you are. So, yes.
And now you teach people how to speak English in Spain.
I do. I help people, yes. Help as in like teach as an assistant here in Spain because I think that I love language.
Yeah.
I love the process of learning language. So I kind of understand the empathy that is needed to be able to do it. And that's why I love it so much.
Is it better to learn English by learning words or phrases?
Well, it depends. For a person that speaks another language, I'll say the best place to start is learning words. Because if you don't, you're just going to get caught up in the verbs and the adjective and all of the things that come with English. So words and also like watching a lot of TV.
Exactly. And I always tell people you should learn phrases, not words.
Yes, phrases.
The phrase, they consist of 3 words, might have entirely different meaning compared to 3 words separately.
Yes.
And that creates a lot of confusion, like hit me up, for example. When you say hit me up, you don't mean that someone should hit you up.
Right. You mean like,
Send me a message.
yeah, like
Give
hit
me a
up.
call.
The bus is here.
Here's the bus. All right, we're going to get in.
A few moments later.
I don't know what have just happened, but that guy in the bus told us to get the heck out of the bus.
Can you believe that?
Because this is the final station or final destination. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna walk.
We're gonna walk.
Oh, museum.
Ouch.
Over here, careful.
I've scratched my hand.
Hands. Oh, sorry.
That's the phrase. I've scratched my hand. Where are we going to?
We're going to Palms Park.
Perfect. And which way is it?
No tengo idea.
No tengo. She speaks Spanish. Tell us, so you were born in Africa?
I was born in Africa.
In Libya, right?
Liberia.
Liberia.
West Africa, Liberia.
West Africa, Liberia. Awesome. I don't think we had people from Liberia, West Africa watching our channel yet.
If
at
we
least.
are, yeah.
I didn't see any, but you guys let me know in the comments below.
LIB.
What is your favorite thing about Spain? What do you like the most about Spain?
The culture over here
The
is
culture.
what I like the most. The people. La gente. En español.
Está
The
muy
people.
loco.
Sí. I also like the quality of life. In Spain, we live in the moment. In the moment. That's what I love. Like, tomorrow comes, but we live most of the time in the moment. We're not so worried about tomorrow. We
Yeah.
have good tapas with your friends and you talk and you just, enjoy the moment that you have right now. That's what I love.
That makes sense. In the US, we're all about future. You gotta work hard
Yes.
every single day.
Yes.
And one day, you're gonna have a beautiful life. You're gonna
Yes.
have your dream life.
Yes.
But I'm getting a rush or goosebumps on my skin because that day never comes.
It
You have
never.
to enjoy your life today.
Yes.
Right now. Just like we're doing right here next to these beautiful palms and a fountain.
Beautiful people.
And people. And while we're walking with you through a little city in Spain called Alicante, I just wanted to remind you that I'm running completely free English-speaking club for people like you from all over the world, where you can speak English one-on-one and not only with the native speakers and people from all over the world. If you want to join us, it's completely free right now. You can follow the link right below this video. Now, let's continue. Almost there.
Almost there.
Poquito más.
Poquito más. You're picking up on your Spanish.
I lived in Mexico for 3 months.
3 months.
Also, I have a lot of friends from Brazil. Eu sou muito inteligente ucraniano brasileiro. Just in case you guys did not know.
That's amazing. I don't understand it, but it sounds so amazing.
Yeah, and Brazilian Portuguese is, I would say, 60% similar to Spanish, approximately, in my honest opinion. But you guys let me know, because a lot of you speak Spanish and Portuguese, and I simply learned some basics by having a lot of fun.
That's a dream destination
I will,
for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
you should go, and I will definitely go to Brazil as well very soon, because do you know what's the #1 country of our viewers on YouTube?
Brazilian?
Brazil, Brazil. That's why I'm going to go there very soon.
So,
All right, which way do we go?
so this way,
Which way?
and then
do
we go that way.
Perfect. Let's head there. Can you tell me, why do you like teaching people?
I do because it's a very humbling thing to do.
Humbling thing
Because
to do.
it teaches you the power of patience.
The power of patience.
Of patience. That's why I love it.
Ooh.
And I have learned over the years that it's so fun when you're trying to teach a person a language that they don't understand and they don't understand your language. So it's just like a fun experience, because it's just like, if you say something to me, I'm like, I don't understand you, and you were just like, okay, what I do now? But it's like, it teaches you to be like, to go really slow and enjoy the process, because that's
Yeah.
just all you do. That's the fun part about it.
That's so true. It's so fun to talk to people who don't understand
Then
your
your
language. Once upon a time, I traveled through Europe and I traveled to one of the countries, and in the bar, I met a girl that did not speak English at all. And I did not speak her language.
Yes.
And we started flirting, and I was like, you know what? I took my phone, I actually turned translator on, I put some words, I've typed some words in English. I
Yes.
gave it to her.
Okay.
She typed something back to me, and
I
we were
love
chatting
that.
like the entire evening.
Yes. That is so interesting. It's not about how much you have achieved, it's just the fact that with language, it's like, it's not about status. It's about the fact that you don't understand me, I don't understand you, and we have to make it work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's all about a will. And
Yes.
it's so much fun. I think learning English should be fun and engaging and entertaining, just like on this channel.
Yes.
So you guys, if you are enjoying it, you gotta hit this big fat thumb up button below, subscribe to our channel. And also, I'll leave the contact of this beautiful girl right below this video so you could get in touch with her as well,
Yes.
in case
Yes.
you are interested. By the way, are you single?
I am.
You might not be soon after people are gonna watch this video.
Okay.
That's one of the best phrases for you guys to learn, especially because 77% of our viewers on the YouTube are men.
Oh, wow.
Are you single? That should be one of the phrases you've learned recently.
Are you single? How would you say that in Brazilian?
That's a good question. I don't know. You guys,
Tell us in the comments.
you tell us in the comments below, because I have no idea. We can also probably walk this way.
This way?
But you can tell me. Let me see. Yeah, we can cut it. Yeah,
Cut it here?
we can cut it right here.
Here. Okay. We can
And-
cut it. That's another.
By cutting it, I mean that we can cut the road. Instead of going around, one block around, we can cut it and go directly to the bus station.
And that would be a shortcut. We're taking a shortcut.
Exactly. You enjoy Spain because of people, because of culture. How about your favorite food in Spain?
I love paella.
Paella,
Paella. I also love tortilla de patata.
tortilla de patata.
I love it. Yeah. Those are like my two favorite.
Out of the first 5 countries, 4 of them are Asians, and first one is Brazil, and the rest 5 or 10 next ones are like Venezuela, Colombia, Chile, all the Spanish-speaking countries from South America. So people are going to enjoy this video quite a lot.
I love Colombian. I love the Colombian accent.
Colombian.
I just love languages. The way it sounds, the way people that speak more than 2 languages is just incredible.
It is. And it's funny because I speak quite a few languages, but for some reason I fell in love with Brazilian Portuguese. Not Portuguese, but Brazilian Portuguese.
I think that was the bus one.
Was it?
Yeah.
Bye.
I think we have another one coming up.
There might be another bus coming up.
Yep.
So how long have you been living in Spain for?
I have been here for approximately 2 years now. Last year I was in the south, in Andalusia. And then this year I'm in like the southeast.
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 East. Yes.
So you've spent how many? 13 years in the United States.
Yes.
What's the biggest difference between US and Europe? Like whenever you come back from Europe to the United States, what hits you right away?
I appreciate our system. We have a very structural system that is very fast-paced and very accurate. And I just love that about the US.
Nice.
It's like things are put in place, things get done on time, and it's like
Very organized.
very active system.
Yeah.
That I love.
And Europe is more chill, like
It's more
maybe later.
Yeah, it's too slow paced, and it's like everybody is like relaxed, you know. It's normal. Like for us, it's like no, it's not normal. Like
Yeah.
let's get it done.
24. Is it ours or
No,
not?
we're taking the 6. Remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. C6.
Yes,
Or
that's
just
it.
6.
6. That's it, C6.
Yeah, perfect. Let's get in. C6. I'll cover tickets. No worries. All right, we're next to the sea.
Oh,
Where
look at
are
that
we
view.
going to?
Let's check it out.
Yay! It smells like sea. I love it.
Like this. Oh, yeah.
Let me tell you something about my trip to Spain. Why the heck am I here?
Yes.